Hi everyone, this is Wafalanga and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. We have already discussed the 16 kinds of verbs and today we are going to discuss the 17. It is known as emotive verbs. It is also called the suasive verbs. Let's begin the definition. Emotive and suasive verbs. The definition of emotive and suasive verbs, those verbs which are followed by that clause usually with should are called emotive or suasive verbs. What actually emotive or suasive mean? It means to evoke emotions. Now they actually create emotions where you have got the class where you just express your emotions and complete your sentences. In the same way, we are going to discuss about the emotive or suasive verbs. Before starting that, little bit we will discuss about that class. Actually, that class is a branch of noun class. As we start the classes, you will come to know. But here we will just discuss that without clauses you cannot complete your emotive sentences. These kind of sentences are called complex sentences. Sentence according to meaning has got four kinds, according to structure has got four kinds. The first one is simple sentence, the second compound sentence, the third complex sentence, and the fourth is compound complex sentences. And what is complex sentence? Complex sentences are those sentences where we have got one dependent and one independent clause. So combination of two clauses will be having the emotive or suasive verbs. If you use them just in one simple sentence, the meaning won't be clear and understandable. How, like I will tell you in the examples. Now, emotive or suasive verbs means to evoke emotions, to create emotions, and to express your emotions. That which sort of emotions do you have to do something. Now, the teachers are protesting. Now, protest is your emotive verb. It is followed by that clause. That clause is actually joining your two clauses, the first one and the second one. Now the teachers are protesting. Why they are protesting? What are their emotions behind it? That their salaries should be increased. Their salaries should be increased. Keep in your mind, when you're going to join them, you will use the modal auxiliary verb should. Should actually gives 85% of possibility of an action. And in the same way, they were demanding that they should join our team. Why were they demanding that? They were demanding just they should join our team. Now or there, the word demand is your emotive or suasive verb. And if I say the teachers are protesting, why they are protesting? A question arises that why do they protest? For that you have to use the next clause, and that is known as their salaries should be increased. And why were they demanding? Just for the sake of joining our team. Next, she has intended that. What has she intended? She has intended that she should clear her medical test. Now she has got firm belief and she's working on the same that she is gonna pass the medical test. Here your intent is the emotive or suasive verb. I have promised, this is what I promised, what I'm going to do, that I should promote education. It is I have promised that I should promote education. And the last example we have, he committed. What did he commit? He committed that he should do CSS. So here these verbs, protesting, demanding, intended, promised and committed are your verbs which show the or which actually evoke emotions, which create emotions in future what you are going to do. These are the result of the remaining promises and creating emotions that I'm going to do it in future. So hope the emotive and suasive verbs are clear to you all. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with next lecture. Goodbye.